Welcome to the introducing the 2025 GMC Sierra, a pickup that seamlessly blends classic design with modern innovation. Built for those who value performance, luxury, and safety, the Sierra stands as a testament to GMC's commitment to excellence. Exterior. The 2025 Sierra boasts a bold new grille design, enhancing its commanding road presence. Its wide stance and sculpted hood reflect strength and sophistication. Available in a palette of striking colors, including carbon black, metallic, and summit white, owners can personalize their Sierra to match their style. The world's first 6-function GMC Multi-Pro tailgate adds both functionality and flair, making loading and unloading effortless. Performance. Under the hood, the Sierra offers a range of powerful engines to suit diverse driving needs. The standard Turbo Max 2.7L engine delivers 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque, ensuring robust performance for daily drives and heavy-duty tasks. For those seeking enhanced power, the 5.3L V8 and 6.2L V8 engines provide impressive towing capacities, with the Sierra capable of towing up to 13,200 pounds. Off-road enthusiasts will appreciate the AT4 trim, featuring a 2-inch factory lift and off-road suspension to tackle challenging terrains with ease. Interior. Step inside the Sierra, and you're greeted by a blend of luxury and advanced technology. The cabin features over 40 inches of combined digital displays, including a 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system and a 12.3-inch driver information center, ensuring all controls and information are at your fingertips. Premium materials, such as authentic open-pore wood trim and forged perforated leather seating, elevate the interior ambiance. Front seats offer 16-way power adjustments with a massage function, ensuring maximum comfort on long drives. Safety features. Safety remains paramount in the 2025 Sierra. The vehicle is equipped with the GMC Pro Safety System, which includes features like automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, and forward collision alert. The available Super Cruise hands-free driver assistance technology allows for hands-free driving on compatible roads, enhancing driver convenience and safety. With up to 14 available camera views, drivers have a comprehensive view of their surroundings, making parking and maneuvering more manageable. Prices. The 2025 GMC Sierra offers a range of trims to cater to various preferences and budgets. The base Pro trim starts at $36,300, providing excellent value for its features. The AT4 trim, focused on off-road capabilities, begins at $66,800, while the luxury-oriented Denali Ultimate is priced at $84,200. In Pakistan, the Sierra 1500 is available at an approximate price of 12,420,000 Pakistani rupees, offering a blend of performance and luxury to the discerning Pakistani market. The 2025 GMC Sierra encapsulates the essence of a modern pickup: powerful, luxurious, and safe. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-road trails, the Sierra is designed to meet and exceed expectations. Experience the perfect fusion of tradition and innovation with the 2025 GMC Sierra.